Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the best Shopify apps for checkout. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Shopify, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts, rewards upon signing up. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see on the word checkout, as you may know, it's where the payment starts. So customers go to checkout to proceed their payments of some of your products that they want to buy. So it's very important to have a interactive checkout because some people, if they when people think or see your checkout as a failure or something hard to interact with or something with a bad user face. I mean, when they think your checkout page is bad, it can give a bad reputation to your shop or to your online store itself. So that's why you need to have the best checkout page you can give for your customers. So now I'm going to show you the best Shopify apps for that to integrate in your store in order to make your checkout more interactive and more better. So now it is an app. So let's go to apps right here on the left side and just search for checkouts. And as you can see, if you click enter, you will be redirected and the Shopify app will show you some of the best checkout apps that you can use or you can integrate in your store to help your checkout be better or to help your store. So there's a lot of application that you can use or integrate into your store for checkout, but there's a three best application that you can use that is free and very helpful to your store. So the first app will be the BeSure checkout rules. So if we click on it, you will see its description and what it do. So as you can see, it customizes checkout behavior by showing shipping or payment methods the way you want. And as you can see, it is built in for Shopify. So you would know that this is very optimized and you can use it very easy and you can integrate it very easy. So it's popular with business in my country, as you can see, and it is free. You can use it for free, but you can also purchase a higher subscription, and it will give you certain benefits. And you can just read it out. And also, it has a 5-star overall rating. This is very good to use. So it records rearranged shipping payment methods on the checkout page, and it hides payment shipping methods by cart total, product tag, customer tag, etc. And set the default pre-selected shipping or payment method. It hide express checkout payment buttons from the top of the page, checkout page. And also, it hides shipping, UPS, or block checkout if the address contains a PO. So yeah, it's actually very good to use since it set the default pre-selected shipping or payment method of your customers, and the people can set their default pre-selected shipping methods for a fast transaction or fast checkout, and it's very good to use. So if you click on one of the features, you can see reorder, hide, rename payment shipping options. Also, for example, if people wants to use credit card, you can set the payment method. You can hide the cash on delivery payment method and only show the credit card. And same thing with this. So you can set it so that it only shows pre pickup or UPS next day error, etc., etc. Yeah, all of that. And also, as you can see, before this is the before your default and after integrating the BeSure checkout. As you can see that it can also arrange the payment methods based on the price. So from higher price to lower price or free itself. And yeah, it's actually a good application that you can integrate into your checkout so that it's more good looking, more interactive, and have more friendly user interface. So yes, if you want, just click install, and it's free. And the next application that you can use, so let's just search for it. So this one, Smart Checkout Rules. So this application is somewhat very similar to BeSure application, So as you can see, it validates and blocks specific checkouts, also customize and control payment methods, reorder, shipping, hide shipping, sort shipping options, and streamline the checkout experience for customers, and also apply conditional shipping discounts. So yes, this one is new and it's very good. You can apply conditional shipping discounts to your products, and also it is built for Shopify, so you would know that this is not a third party application. This is a very optimized application that you can integrate into your store. And also it's free, but you can purchase a more higher plan, which gives you a better features. And as you can see, if you click on the pictures, this is what it do. So as you can see, it can validate a checkout. So if their address is not that valid or pretty suspicious, and it can automatically block the checkout. And also it can give you a conditional discounts. So you can see, when it is a international shipping, they can be given with a conditional discount. Since it's international, there will be an transportation fees that the customers should pay, but the application can just add a discount so that it covers the fees. And yes, it can also rename the payment method that the customers want. So yes, it can validate, block checkout payment methods. You can hide, rename, move payment method. You can hide shipping methods, rename the shipping method, etc., etc. So as you can see right here, you can set up the features off or on. You can activate the rename payment methods. You can activate also the shipping discounts and deactivate it as much as you want. And yes, that's it. So mostly it's just the same with BeSure application, but with the conditional shipping discounts, I think it's much better. So yes, this is the second application that you can use. And last application that you can use, which is also very good, is this one, Qikify checkout customers. So let's click on it. And as you can see, this one is very good. So it also built for Shopify, also free, and with a higher higher plan, which is $99 per month, but it gives you a bunch of good features. So now what it do is it adds an extra checkout field blocks with custom rules, gift message, etc., date picker, something like that. And also it sells add-ons, gift wrap, update cart, and upsells with Shopify native discounts. And it also provides a fraud prevention, validate and black checkout. Same thing with Smart and BeSure with rules and also address validation. And yes, it also offers advanced checkout page by showing product reviews, text, banners, or button links. And lastly, same thing, rename and reorder, hide payments and delivery options. So let's just click on it, and as you can see, it offers unlimited Shopify checkout customizations. And so this is how you can customize your checkout page with another 20 checkout extensions. It's compatible with native Shopify discounts, compatible with all markets, support multi-language, and they have post purchase customization like this, as you can see, and dynamic display condition right here, and also insightful analytics. It also shows analytics from a previous customers that can help persuade the incoming customers here. So let's go to the next picture. As you can see, it create additional form fields to collect more information. For example, like a gift wrap right here. You can add a gift wrap options for the customers, and also the submission will be recorded and showed in order. So this is very good, so that you can manage the orders coming from the customers. And also it offers product add-ons in form with free charge. So as you can see, it recommends products on autopilot or by manually setup, and the products recommended is based on conditions, for example, tags, order value, etc., etc. And also the A to B test offers is available and combinable with Shopify discounts. So you can integrate the real Shopify discount into this one instead of making it yourself. So as you can see, you can integrate real Shopify discounts to your checkout or to your store instead of making discounts to yourself, like the previous application, the smart checkout rules. So in this one, you can combine the real Shopify discount, or you can integrate the real Shopify discounts to your store. Yes, right here you can customize your cart. You can allow customers to change their product variants and quantity, and they can upsell. The customers can upsell product subscription plan and also quantity upsell with discount. So right here, as you can see, it is compatible with native Shopify discount. So you can just sync your discounts from your Shopify to your store itself. So this is the checkout validation. This is how it looks. As you can see, if the address is not that good, is not that good, is not valid. For example, they add a PO box address. So yeah, it can block the so you can avoid suspicious address, avoiding scams, and make sure that your orders comes from a valid address. And also you can add custom banners and buttons if you want. So yes, that's it for the Qikify checkout customizer. So out of the three, this one is the best one to use. It's free, and yeah, it has a higher subscription plan if you want to purchase it, but it is very good if you do so. And yes, out of the three, this one is the best application for me. And yes, if you want, you can also use other application, and they provides a helpful features also for your store and for your checkouts. And also, that's it for this video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.